Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to get the sound from your PS3 or game system. Actually, yeah, to a stereo. What I'm using, the stereo I'm using is the Sony mhc-ec-909ip. It's a great stereo. I highly recommend it. Um, yeah. What you do? It's a really simple process. The Sony, the mhc-ec-909ip, it does not have plugins. You can't just plug it right into the back. It's a little bit more complicated than that. Then again, it's also not hard at all. It'll cost you, maybe it's under $12. I can assure you of that. Under $12. Extremely simple. I mean, it'll be under $12 if you already have the game system and the stereo, which is $160 on the Sony website, refurbished. Alright, what you're gonna need is the red and white RCA cords unplugged from the TV, and then you're just gonna split it. Like, see right here, I split it too far. I didn't mean to. There should be 3, and you just split it. Next, what you're gonna need is 2 of these, or 2 of these, or 1 of these with the 2 not male but female parts. But they didn't have those, they were out, so they gave me these. They're like cufflinks, I guess. Yeah, 1 of these. I don't know where I got this from. This was just laying around the house. But I know they're on eBay for like $4. And they didn't have, again, they didn't have the cufflinks to attach 2 of these together. The 3.5mm headphone jack. Because I have just an extension cord. But they gave me a female part that you plug that into, and it comes out as like this. And this and this I got together for $8 at ABEC. Great prices, shop there. Yeah. What you do, take the PS3 cords right here. Hold up. Yeah. Take 1 cufflink, plug it into the red. Take the other cufflink. I don't know if that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. Just don't be a dick about it. I hate that shit. Next, you plug red to red. Perfect. And then go to the end of the cord where the 3.5mm headphone jack is, and take the female part. I'm sure I'm explaining something a monkey could figure out, but I don't really care. This is a 15-foot cord. And then what I did, I just drop it around. Sorry, my room is such a fucking mess. And, god damn it, I just plug it right into the thing. And then American Dad. Don't judge that stuffed animal. Had that since I was born, bitches. It'll fucking start. There we go. And it is coming out of there. Remote. coming out of the subwoofer too. Awesome. Hope you like it. Hope you like the video. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'm going to try to do this more often because I'm smart. Peace.